Fermenting foods has been around for thousands of years, but today it's even easier using a mason jar. Our unique silicone design lid has a waterless airlock. It allows the CO2 and contaminants out and nothing to come in. Place the appropriate burping lid on your jar after your contents are filled. The lid does it all itself. There is no need to burp every day. Simply fill your jars, tamp them down to remove any air bubbles. Place your burping lid on top. Let the burping lid do all the work. Fermenting at home allows good bacteria to emerge. It boosts your immune system. It provides better gut health and even helps your body to digest those hard to digest nutrients. Some of my favorite ferments are sauerkraut, cabbage, garlic, yogurt, and kimchi.